guys, welcome back to my channel, and we are going to make today, we're going to make today your favorite noodles. So we are going to look at this. So all we gotta have right now, this is the main ingredients, the Lakimi chicken noodles. Right. So we also need these ingredients. Alright, we also need oishi. So we're going to mix the ingredients of oishi into the noodles. That way it's more delicious and it's many. So here it is, guys. We're now cooking the noodles. All you gotta do is put some water, water into it, and then put the noodles. Guys, for survival purposes, you can really cook the noodles in water, just plain water. Okay, if you wanna do some survival things. Okay. This is for surviving without cooking the noodles in hot water or cooking it in your pan with different cookwares in the kitchen. So we're just going to mix the normal water, cold water, into it like that. Then we'll wait for a few minutes, 5 to 10 minutes. This noodle will be cooked already. That instant. Okay. So we just put this into the water. Let it simmer into the water till be cooked already. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Hope you learned something how to survive cooking noodles without the heat or any cookwares. Okay, stay tuned for more. This is your kEnTo niNjAz. Please subscribe, and also you want to be a member. Okay, we have registration, 500 cases. Those who want to join. So yes, I'm gonna be eating this right now. This is my lunch. I'm eating noodles during lunch with the oishi. This is delicious, guys. I'm telling you. You can also put other CHECHERIA-OISHI like bingo, mixed nuts, okay, or some fish crackers. It's delicious. I'm telling you. You should have a taste of this. Okay. Thank you, guys, and see you for the next video. I'll catch you soon. Okay. Thank you. Subscribe.